Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Spider-Man 2 FitGirl Repack game. I show you guys how to do it. First, you just need to know how the FitGirl update works. Here is the version chart for this game. As you can see, the first version 2 upgraded version, you can only upgrade it step by step, guys. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step by step only you can able to update it. You can't actually jump straight to 8 the update. So that's how the updates work. I have downloaded the first one. After downloading it, just right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract and double click on the folder, double click on the application, select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select next. Select next. Select browse option and you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting the games folder, select OK. Select next, select the yes option. Already exists, so would you like to install to that folder anyways, and select yes. Select next, select the install option and uncheck these option, both option, and then select finish. Now you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. This PC local disk C games, and here is the game folder. And now scroll down. As you can see, here is the game application. Just right click and select properties and go to details. And as you can see, the file version is updated, guys. The old version is 1.131.0 and the new version it's updated to 1.2002, as you can see. And that's how you can update the games, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.